In this tutorial, we will see that how you can stop ads on Android phone. You can block unwanted ads on your Android in just few steps. So let's dive right in. So for the step 1, from your home page, you have to open your settings, and here you can search for this Google and then simply open it. Here it will show your Google ID and this ads option. You have to open it and then you have to select this delete advertising ID, and it will help you to delete your advertising ID, and then apps can not longer use this advertising ID to show you personalized ads. Confirm delete advertising ID. Click back. So let's move on to second step. Open this manage your Google account. You will be on this home. You have to open this data and privacy and scroll down. Then you need to open this web and app activity. Open it, and now you have to turn off this. Click here and turn it off. Got it? And then swipe down and open this My Ad Center. Open it. Here it will show you some of your information that will help advertisers to show you ads. So it will be on from right top side. If you click on that, you'll find here this turn off option on the right bottom side. After clicking it, got it, and click back. And now for the third step, you have to open settings again and open your apps. Click on the see all apps, and here you have to delete apps that you downloaded from Google or any websites. You should only use apps from Google Play Store. The apps from websites is not safe, and most of the cases these were the apps that show this unwanted ads. So you have to uninstall these type of apps. Let's suppose I will open this. So to uninstall it, for example, I will open this one, and here you will get this uninstall button, and you can simply uninstall it. And for the fourth step, open your Chrome, and on the right top side you'll find these three dots. Click on that and open settings from here. If you scroll down, you'll find here this site settings. Open it. Here you will find this intrusive ads. You have to turn off this. I've already turned off. Click back and open this third party sign in. Close this toggle and click back and open this pop-up and redirects. You should also close this and then open this third-party cookies, and you have to click on this block third-party cookies. And for the fifth step, open your settings and search for DNS. Open this private DNS, open it again and choose this private DNS provider hostname and type here dns.adguard.com and click on this save. And for the last step, you can open Play Store and search for ad blockers that will help you to block all kind of ads from your Android phone.